Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create eye-catching thumbnail images for your YouTube channel. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the website app.leonardo.ai and choose what your image should look like or resemble. So what I like to do is to just scroll on the home page and see if I would see any photo that will give me something similar to what I want. Now let's say I've seen an image. Let's say depending on what I want, let's say I'm creating something about cats or how to use AI cats. Yes, I've seen an image. So this I can I can create an image with this. I can create a very similar image with this, or let's say, let me check if I'll see something else. Okay, we can also see this cat again. We can scroll and see. We can also choose this. But I need something more epic, something more interesting. Now this is what I'm talking about. So I can choose this particular hyper realistic image and create my version of it, and then I can use it to create a very eye-catching thumbnail for my YouTube channel. Or you can just click on the image section above and go on to generate your own peculiar image. Here you can input your prompt here in the prompt bar and generate your image. So thank you very much and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel. Also, if you have a challenge, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much and do have a great day.